Hey everyone, I'm Jules and I recently discovered Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, which is a very or fairly easy way to make money online. I would say easier than FBA, dropshipping or any of the other Amazon offerings, simply because you don't have to pay anything. You just make the designs, upload them, and then wait for them to be sold. And the better designs you make, the more sales you're going to make, obviously. The question right now in this video is, can I make and post a book from scratch, a low content book, um, or some would call it no content book, from scratch in 5 minutes or less? I think I can, so let's get right into it and try. Right, so you've got your KDP account. We're gonna leave that for a second. So time starts now. First of all, we're going to go to Unsplash. Unsplash is a place to get covers, well, cover backgrounds. I'm going to look for snakeskin. Why I recommend Unsplash is because you can get high quality designs, high quality pictures for free and with a license to be able to use on KDP without any copyright issues. So without having an account, you can see I'm not logged in. You can download high resolution pictures. I've got a folder set up here that's called 6x9 because that's the size my book is going to be. I've downloaded this design, which is a snakeskin pattern. And then you're going to go over to Canva. You're going to create a design, custom size, and to make it easy, I've downloaded this template from Book Owl. I'm going to leave a link in the description below and you can download it too. And over here, if you go over to page layout, it's going to tell you what size your design has to be. So it's 12 by 565. That's because we want a 140 page. Right, so you change this into inches. What did it say? It said 12.565. 12.565, and height will be 9.25. 9.25. We're going to create the design. Right, very simple. Uploads. We're going to upload the image we just downloaded. Download 6x9. There's our snakeskin. Never mind all the other things. Right, so until the thingy downloads, we can make the spine. I'm just gonna need a basic box. I'm gonna make this like that, as small as possible. We're going to put it in the center. We're going to add some text because you need to put the name of the actual book onto the spine. Rotate it by 90 degrees and then just type in notebook. I'm going to make it into a bold thingy and change this font. I don't know like this font. Change it into this. Reposition it. Oh, it is in the center. Okay, then make it smaller maybe. Yeah, definitely make it smaller. Make it up to about 12. 12 should be fine. Reposition it to the center, and that is done. Now my upload is already here. To see it a bit better, I'm gonna zoom out. Like that. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna need to align this here. Make sure you don't go over the actual spine, like that. I'm going to hit Ctrl D to duplicate this and stick it on the other side. Let's see, I think like that. Now I'm going to position this to the back, and this is already at the back. So there we go, we have our notebook. I'm going to add another heading, say notebook, and then place this somewhere in the middle, well, sort of in the middle here, and make it a bit smaller, like that. I'm going to add some effects. The splice one, I'm going to remove the offset, and I'll leave the side onto white and make this into a darker color. And I think that looks quite good. So we're going to download this. We have to download it as PDF print. And there we go, we already have our cover. Now, we also need a interior, obviously. So we're going to hit another, create a new design, 6 by 9 exactly. There we go. Just gonna move this out of the way for a second. Right, so over here, this is the easiest part. I'm gonna hit this. I'm going to just type underscore a lot of times so we can form the lines. This is going to be obviously a ruled lined notebook. You have to remember to keep in mind the bleed settings, so leave some space. I'm going to leave some space at the top as well, and then select this and hit Ctrl D, realign it. Let's get a bit closer here. You can see what we're doing. Select these two and hit Ctrl D, realign them. Select all four, Ctrl D, realign them. And you just keep doing this until you reach the bottom. Right? There we go, another 3. Another 1. And we are all done. All we need to do now is duplicate this page. Duplicate. We said we're going to make a 140 page notebook. So Canva for free only lets us download 100 pages. What we're going to do is we're going to make 70 pages in Canva, download it twice, and then use another free tool to stitch those two files together. 70 pages, there we go. So we're going to download this in a PDF print as well. There we go, download. Save this as 70 lines. Yep, that's about it. So we're going to go to small PDF. Remember, this is all free as well. We're going to scroll down and hit merge PDF. Choose files. Just go to 70 lines. Merge files, choose option, add the file again. So we have two of them. 70 lines. Merge PDF, and it is very quick. Hit download. Save this here. And we are ready to go. Over to KDP. We hit plus paperback. I'm just going to write down notebook. Subtitle 140 line pages. Snake skin design. Right. I use this little name for the author. I have a description already written in to help make it quicker. Oops. Just gonna copy this right in here. Okay. I own the copyrights. Keyboards, I'm just gonna put notebook, notepad, college, journal. Categories, I'm just gonna look for diaries and journals and save, or maybe add non-fiction, nature, animals. Let's see if we can find reptiles and amphibians. Yep. Save. No, this does not contain any language. There we go. Let's see. Assign me a free KDP ISBN. Black and white interior. We're going to choose bleed. Upload the manuscript. 659, 140. As I said, my internet is a bit slow, so it's going to take a while. Oh, there we go, successful. Click upload the cover. We're going to go to 6:9, select notebook, wait for it to upload. Okay, so I fast forwarded because it was taking a very long time to upload. So I'm just going to hit launch previewer. Remember, you can't go past this stage without clicking the launch previewer. And there we go. It just took 10 seconds. And my design has no errors, which is good. So I'm just going to take a closer look. This title seems a bit off, but as long as it's not an error, that is just fine. Look at the quality, it's quite alright, I think. Everything looks alright. The KDP software assigns a ISBN already. Okay, that seems alright. Let's move on to the next page. That seems okay. Remember, everything that's outside this little box does not get printed. I'm just going to hit approve. And we're going to find out how much this is going to cost. So it's $253. Okay, so let's click save and continue and move on to the pricing section, which is the last one, by the way. Glad to hear that. So we're going to leave it to all territories, leave Amazon.com like that. I'm going to click $6.99 US, wait for it to update. I'm going to check expanded distribution. I'm going to round these numbers up a little bit. Remember, on the French, German, Spanish and Italian prices, you have to look here, not here. So I'm gonna round this up a little bit. 61, is it 61? Yep, that's €6. This is 67, I think. No, 69. And this would be 77. 77. There we go, even nice prices. Japan as well, they have VAT, so you have to account for that. I'm gonna make it into 774, 773, and now it's around 45850 number. I'm gonna make this into 850, sounds decent. I'm gonna leave the Australia market for $10 Australian. And that's about it. Just hit publish. There you go. Your book is on its way. It usually takes about 48 hours, normally between 24 and 72 hours. Your paperback has been submitted, and then it's going to be live. I don't want to start an ebook because this is just a notebook. So there we go. We finished it in how much time? A bit over 5 minutes. Anyway, the most time you're gonna waste is by waiting for it to upload or for it to download or stuff like that. The actual work that you do is between 5 and 10 minutes. Obviously, your first time is gonna be a bit slower, maybe 20 minutes or so, but as you do like 5, 6, 7 designs, that's gonna cut down to the minimum of about 5 minutes. And once you have a design set up, you can just modify it a little bit and upload different versions of it. So there we go. I strongly suggest you take up publishing on Amazon KDP. It's easy, it's profitable, and I just showed you how to do it. You don't have to invest any sort of money, everything you can do for free. So there we go. You have no reason not to start. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found some value, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe for more. Comment down below if you didn't like it or if you did like it. And that's about it. Share it with your friends, I guess, if you want them to join into this adventure as well. So until next time, I will see you around. Thanks for watching. Bye.